Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Amazon Music support. So actually guys, first you will need to open the Amazon Music app on your phone and then just go ahead and tap on the profile icon or the profile picture that's located at the top left corner of your phone. And here I do really want you to go and tap on the help and feedback option that's located at the bottom of the list. Okay, so at the last option. So now just scroll down until you can see contacts as section. So here where you can choose whether you want to just chat with the contacts us or with the support, or you want to speak with a representative. Okay, so the first one, it says get quick answers to frequently asked questions. The second one is provide contact information so we can call you back immediately. So let's say that we will go with chat with us. So just choose the first option, and here you will need to follow the prompts. Okay, so it looks like that the hate is snake with chat. Okay, so they won't chat with us anymore till tomorrow or after tomorrow. Okay, so for example we'll go with get a call from us option. So here you will need to provide them with the issue, the country, the phone, and then go with call me now. So a support agent will assist you directly then. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.